If your musical dreams involve hitting the right keys, then London's got the perfect piano studio for you. Start your exploration at WKMT London, a premier destination for piano enthusiasts of all ages. From expertly tailored lessons to a supportive community, WKMT offers a refined educational experience. Looking to buy or maintain a piano? Marks & Pianos not only sells exquisite instruments, but provides top-notch maintenance services to keep your music pristine. Delve into shop music, where recording studio access and a treasure trove of musical resources await. Perfect for those seeking a diverse and enriching environment. Mill Hill Music Complex caters to broad musical tastes, offering deep theoretical understanding to enrich your piano journey. For those aiming for professional preparation, Peregrine's Pianos focuses on high-quality instruments designed to elevate your skills. At WKMT, immerse yourself in a vibrant educational environment with lessons crafted to meet your unique musical goals. Discover the joy of piano in London's rich cultural backdrop. Ready to find your ideal studio? Your musical journey begins here.